Good morning, students. Ninth problem, next problem is solved by the middle of it in the previous class. Find the potential system of two charges Q1 and Q2 when they are separated by a distance of 10 centimeters. Okay, separation can be written as R12 or simply can be written as R also. 10 centimeters converted into meters and charges converted into coulombs. And which is nothing but mutual potentiality. Potentiality means mutual potentiality in the system of two charges. We are taking energy. U12 we can take or just take U is equals to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into R12 or R equivalent. R12 we can add simply write R. And I gave it as R and R12. Sometimes in the exam they will give R12 but not necessarily take R12. Let us simply write R equal to. Only two charges are there, which is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 4 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 by the distance is 10 centimeters. 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Plus 9 minus 9 powers cancels. This is going to be 9 into 16 negative sign comes into 10 to the power of minus 9 by this is going to be 1 cancel and 10 to the power of minus 1 remains. Negative numerator becomes equal to 10 to the power of plus 1. Or you can take this potentiality U or U12 is equals to this is 10 to the power of minus 8. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 joules. 1.44 into 10 to the power of 2 digits to minus 6 joules is the energy. You can also write this as a microjoules, but you can leave it in SI division at the end. But you must know how to convert it into microsystem. That means 1.44 into 10 to the power of minus 6 can be written as micro. Can be written as 1.44 mu joules means microjoules. Negative sign. So you have to put negative sign. Negative sign also indicates what? Attraction. Potential, energy, negative. Indicates or repulsion. Indicate like repulsion, attraction. So it will be minus now. Plus minus. Plus minus. Indicate plus minus attraction. Attraction. Indicate charges. This extra point not required for the examination is important. We can do only after this. Next problem is 3-point charges ABC at the corners QA, QB, QC. All charges are placed at the three corners ABC of side 2 meters respectively. Three corners of a square of side. If square is not mentioned also, side is same means other one is supposed to be square. Of square of side 2 meters respectively are indicated. Find the work done to move the charge Q0 equal to 1 nanocoulomb from corner D, that is the fourth corner, to the center of the square. So you take this square, order will not be clockwise or anti-clockwise, does not matter, just take the way you have A, B, C and D. Charges are not at all 4 corners, there are only 3 charges. QA, QB, QC is nothing but equal to QA is 4 nanocoulombs, QB is also 4 nanocoulombs, QC is also 4 nanocoulombs. QD there is no charge, but you are taking the charge Q0 move from D to center of the square. This is O. Maybe given Q also sometimes. I'll take the side length as L, you can take our symbols A, you can take it as L, side length is equals to 2 meters. All sides 2 meters. Okay, now we are moving the charge Q0 from this point to this point. You can calculate the total potential energy here, total potential energy here, but you have to be careful from which point to which point, which is final, which is initial important. So we take from final minus initial always. Potential difference means final minus initial. Potential energy difference also final potential energy minus initial potential. You are moving from fourth corner D to the center. So center is final, corner is initial. So calculate the potential energy at this place by keeping the Q0 here, and then potential energy at this place when Q0 is here. Difference of the final minus initial potential is nothing but equal to 1. Or we can calculate simply potential difference also. This initial potential VD you calculate, potential difference VO you calculate. Okay, final VO minus VD itself is nothing but equal to potential difference into charge you are moving is a work. You can calculate in terms of potential energy or in terms of potentials. This is O by dot. Okay, this question they may not give O, this give the center of the square. So they are going to take first. QA equal to QB equal to QC equal to 4 nanocoulombs, positive only, which is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulombs. And side end, each side end is as here equal to 2 meters. Each side. So QAB, RAB distances. RAB, RBC, RCD, RAD. All are equal to, distance becomes equal to 2 meters. Means is also equal to, I can take it as RAB, RAC, not AC, sorry, RAB, BC, RC, and RA. But RAC is different. What is RAC? RAC is the diagonal method. Which opportunity means you need to calculate all the charges including this. So at this point, if you want to find the potential, you must know these distances for all charges. So what is the distance becomes is L and L. If there was Pythagoras, right angle triangle, hypotenuse. L means it's L root 2. L root 2 means half of the L root 2 becomes equal to, this is L root 2 by 2. L root 2 by 2 means it becomes equal to L by root 2, the distance. L by L root 2 by 2, which is L by root 2. This is also L by root 2. So RAC diagonal is L root 2. So half of that becomes O is center of square, and AO, all distance from center, AO is equals to ACO equal to BO equal to DO, all equal to L by root 2 is a diagonal. Diagonal of this. What we will do is potential difference will be what done to move charge to now from D to O, from corner D to center of the square is W equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy. It is nothing but equal to U final, right? Minus U initial. Potential energy is nothing but equal to charge you are moving into potential point. V final minus V initial. It means work done is nothing but equal to charge you are moving Q0 into final potential. Final potential is at O, VO minus V. VO is potential. Then you don't have to take these steps. Directly you go from here. I am giving you for understanding purposes. This part is not required. Simply directly you can take work W equal to Q0 into VO minus V. Potential at center O, VD is potential, right? D and O carefully. Potential H corner D. So first you have to calculate calculate the potential at O and D, both cases. What is the potential at O? VO is equals to potential because of the all charges you need to consider. So V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4, all the distance you have taken. So because of QA we will take, this is going to be V equal to charge by 4 pi epsilon naught into this distance, that is AO, plus potential because of V at O, QB by 4 pi epsilon naught into DO, plus QC, only 3 charges, by 4 pi epsilon naught into CO. This is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This 9 into 10 to the power of 9 data you can write in the beginning only. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Units you mentioned in SI itself. Newton meter square per coulomb square. 9 into 10 to the power of 9 by distance. The distance AO is L by root 2, but L is how much? Is 2 meters. So we can write this relation. AO, CO, BO is L by root 2. That means L is 2 by root 2, which is nothing but equal to root 2 meters. So this turn out to be AO all the distances is root 2 meters. This is root 2 plus into QA. QA is 4 nanometers. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. QA by AO root 2 plus QB by root 2 plus QC by root 2, which is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 by root 2 into QA, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus QB, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus QC, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. If any charge is given negative, don't take the negative one. Don't take modulus like electric field. Let the charge positive is positive, negative means negative. This will be 9 by root 2 into 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of minus 9 also we take out column here. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Power cancels. In between hands. 9 into 12 I can write it as a 6 into 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 is root 2. 54 root 2 volts. Root 2 is nothing but equal to 1.414, which can be further as 54 into 1.414. Else 1 by root 2 value also can directly take 1 by root 2 is 0.707 multiplication, that also can take, which is equals to this potential at the center VO is nothing but equal to 54 into 1.414. $76.356 approximately to 36 volts. 76.36 volts is VO. Similarly, we have to calculate the potential of D. At D, corner D is, because all charges are different, that is V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into QA by the distance AD. Previously we have taken is AO, now we are taking is AD. We have to begin with this O and D terms. plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon into QB by BD plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon into BD, AD, BD, CD, QC by CD is equals to 900 to the power of 9 by QA, or that is the same in this case, QA by AD. Distances you have to be careful. AD is nothing but equal to L. L is 2 meters. L plus, I can take out this, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon down. A by AD is L plus QB by BD. This BD you have to take care of the diagonal length. Previously we taken half diagonal, now we have to go to diagonal. L means L root 2 it is. L root 2. You have to take care of this part. And this problem is very important one. Plus QC by CD. CD distance is again L. Then also you can take out common, root 2 extra comes only for the B, the diagonal part. This is 900 to the power of 9 by L. QA value is 4 into the power of 9 plus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9, minus 9 plus this part is 1 to 2 addition. This is 4 into the power of minus 9. L taken out. What comes is going to be 9 into 10 to the power of 9 by 2 into this part I am taking 10 to the power of minus 9 into 4 plus 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Powers cancels. This is 8. This is going to be 9 by 2 into 4 plus 4 is 8 plus I can write this as 4 by 4 as 2 into 2 by root 2 plus 4 plus 4 is 8. This 4 I am writing as 2 into 2. Directly you have to take a bracket, otherwise use the calculator or directly you can write 2 into 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 is root 2 only. This is 9 by 2 into 8 plus 2 root 2. Which is going to be 9 into by root 2 taken now 4 plus root 2, which is 9 into 4 plus 1.41. You have to elongate itself directly, others you can use this 5.414 into 9. Approximately is to 48.7 volts. But what we really is potential difference. So what does the charge do not get? Therefore, work done to move the charge Q0 value is 1 coulomb, 1 nanovolts, positive place. From D to O, O is fire, is W equal to Q0 into VO minus V. Already written formula before, directly can substitute formula. This part already written before, not required. Directly can go for this part. What done? Therefore, what done is equals to VO minus VD substitute. This is 10 to the power of minus 9 into VO. VO what is this value? 76.35. 36 minus VD 48.73 is our approximate values in terms of the volts. Which is equals to the power of minus 9 into 3. Is 0.63 into the power of minus 9 joules is a wonder. Sometimes you may get negative work also, positive work also, depends on the point from which point you turn it. If the final value has more potential than initial value, then we will get positive. Otherwise, we will get a negative. Okay. 11th question. Charges. Two nanovolts, 2 is equals to minus 10 nanovolts. Is separated by 10 centimeters in there. Find the point or points where points on the line. The line joining charges. Charges. Find points or points on the line joining the charges where net potential is 0. Find a point and from any one charge they may give you from 200 to and give you from Q1. From Q1. 2 nanometers from here. So 2 charges are there. If there are dipole form, means plus 2 minus 2, they give the exactly midpoint equipment the net potential is 0. That is the equipment surface in calculator with potential 0 potential surfaces. If not, if you have taken that unlike charges, then each charge has potential equipment surface like this. There are 2 points on this line where the charges where the potential can be 0. This is Q1. This is Q1. On the Q1 side, you are asked from Q1. So distance time x, imagine x is the distance from Q1. So here I am taking between as x outside I will take it as x prime. The separation is r. Then this distance becomes equal to r minus x. Here net potential is 0. Here also net potential is 0. In and outside. 2 cases here. So separate diagrams are here. Answer. Q1 is plus 2 nanovolts. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 volts. Q2 is minus 10 nanovolts, which is 10 to the power of minus 9. But you have to verify only by magnitude, not by the charge. Generally, this minus 10 means less than 0. Very low. But we have to take up which is more means 10 is more than 2. Magnitude you have to verify. So we have to take this as Q1 is magnitude is less than Q2 magnitude. Means Q1 is smaller charge. So net potential V equal to 0 at 2 points. One is on the line joining charges. One point is between the charges, other point is outside the charges. 1 point is between charges. Compulsory unlike charges, but between unlike charges. And another point outside. On the unlike charges. Unlike charges near to smaller charge magnitude. Near to small charge magnitude. In magnitude. This part not compulsory to mention, but here I am writing it, but you don't have to write the example, directly you go for the distances. Let me take the x. X is distance from Q1 equal to 2 nanometer. Whatever they ask you, the distance you take. If they ask from Q2, directly you go for Q2 x. Other distance becomes equal to R minus x. Q2 is equals to Q1 is from Q1 to 2 nanometers. And separation is distance from other distance. R is 10 centimeters. Separation of the charge, the distance between Q1 comma Q2. But we want other distance is R minus x is distance from Q2 other charge. Let x is the distance. X is the distance from Q1 here, where V equal to 0. This is between charges. Between charges. First we will take between charges. So we will take as x where we have distance. Look at the diagram. Better take the diagram for this in the examination. So at this point, at the null point, so at 0 potential, we don't call null point. Null point is for electric field 0, net electric field 0. So null point, null potential point if you want to know, then V1 must be